Hello, Jungle Explorer here again today, and today what I'm going to be talking about is how to program this Viper 4-button remote control. I bought this for my Chevy Silverado that came rigged with this security system, and you can see my old one right here on my keychain. And I, you know, a lot of people think they'll go with just one, thinking that, well, you know, you can't get another one. But actually, I got this for 29 bucks off Amazon.com. I'll throw the link to this particular one down in the description of the video, underneath the video in the description area. Just click on the show more button and you go straight to this link. Let me pull this unit out. This unit here is a gotta get it over here in the light. It's a model 7145V. Now it comes with instructions on the back how to do it, but these things are horrendous. If you look at this card right here, it doesn't even have the actual model that's in there. So instructions are a little bit different for different models, but it doesn't even cover the models. So I had to go around and find out how to program this little thing. And you know, so I'm making this video to help people out that are like me, that, you know, get instructions that aren't even for the model that's in the box. How crazy is that? The instructions themselves are just really horrendous and don't really cover the details. So I'm making this little short video to show you how to do it. It's actually very simple to do this, so it just takes a few seconds. It's not hard. You don't have to hold your tongue just right. It's 100 degrees outside, so I've got my truck on, but I'm gonna have to turn it off to do this video. So first thing I'm gonna do, we're starting clean. You have to have your door open. Open your door. Turn your key on to the on position. Okay, now you got to find this little transmitter up here. Now on my car it's up here, and most of them this is where it's going to be, but it has a button on it right there, and you're going to press it 7 times, and then you're going to press it an 8th time, but you're going to hold it. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold. And now while I was doing that little chirping, you press that down. You press down the lock button and then turn the key off. Just out of programming, close your door, and that's unlock. And your little key fob is programmed. That's as easy as it is. I'm going to go through it one more time. You can do it again. You do not have to reprogram your old one. I didn't touch it. Like, it still works. And you can do up to 8 remotes, but to do an additional 2 remotes, you have to go to channel 2. That has 4 channels. That's a little bit difficult. I don't need that, so I'm just going to show you how to do it again. Just basically open your door. Turn your key to the on position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold on 8. Press the lock button. Turn your key off. Close your door, and it works. That's as easy as it is. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, the Jungle Explorer signing out.